This is that same black powder rocket I showed y'all in the previous video, how I drill the pacifier. I also want to say that the rotating rocket, I haven't decided if I'm going to call it Spin Doctor or Tornadic Activity, but she's ready, so I'm going to fly it this weekend. So y'all stay tuned for that. But for now, I've got a black powder here. It's got whistle for a salute, but I put a little bit of red strobe above that, and I'm just going to see if it'll do anything cool like that. So without further ado, should have a glitter tail. Dang, that's slow for you.